Hello, wonderful students. Okay, I'm going to make this video very short, sweet, to the point. I want to make sure that you guys know what to do, but still want to make it short and sweet. So first things first, this is for when you're not in my class. So if you're in my first, second, or third period, you should watch this video on Wednesday. If you're in my fourth, fifth, or sixth period, watch this video on Thursday. Wonderful? Okay, good to know. All right, we are going to log into Canvas. You're going to click on the Modules tab and go to Module 2, Exploring SAE's Overview and Tasks. The first thing you're going to do is click on the Overview of SAEs. So you'll notice we talked about this in class, so it should all look pretty familiar, but if you need a brief kind of review of the SAE types and categories, you can look here. Cool, very fun, very fun. So yes, like we talked about in class, there are 4 categories for SAEs. We have entrepreneurship, which is you're an entrepreneur, you own your own business basically. Placement, you are being placed in a career or in a job with someone else. So you're working for someone, you're being placed with them. Research and experimentation, it's research and exploratory. You're exploring different parts of the agricultural industry. All right, so what I want you to do here is click on the SAE Ideas. You can click here and I'll show you a preview. You can also click directly on the link and that will download the ideas for you. I'm going to go on to, I'm going to go on to my Google Docs since I already have that done. I'm going to go to this overview, and then basically this is going to tell me that SAEs are broken down into 7 categories. So yes, we do have our 4 areas of SAEs, but within those areas we also have categories. So I know it can get kind of confusing, but every SAE is going to be either an entrepreneurship SAE, an exploratory SAE, a research SAE, or a placement SAE. And within each of those, they can follow one of these categories. And so basically what the categories are is they're just a part of agriculture. So we have animal systems, which focuses obviously on the animal aspect of ag. Business focuses on the business side. Environmental service, food products, natural resource systems, plant systems, and power structural technical systems, which is your welding and structure, all that stuff. So if you know what you're kind of interested in, you could look at one of these and it would tell you the different types of SAE projects there are. So say you're very interested in food products and processing. You would click there. For some reason on my laptop when I'm presenting, it's not working. So I'm going to click on the bottom, go to food products. And this is going to tell me all the different types of SAE projects you can do. So I could sell gourmet popcorn products. I could raise trout and sell to local restaurants. I could process wild game for jerky. So I could create my own jerky. Collect mushrooms and sell to local vendors. So these are all different things I can do as my SAE project. So there are a ton of them. So if you are trying to figure out what your SAE project is, I would just look through all of these, try to find something that you're interested in. If you want to go into the business side, you can look here and it will tell you a bunch of different business SAEs you can do. Cool, cool. All right, so basically all you're going to do is look through here and then you're just going to kind of find something that interests you. This is mostly if you're not sure what you want to do with your SAE yet, this is just going to give you a good idea. So if you need extra help, please feel free to meet with me. We can do this together, but it's pretty simple. I know it looks like a lot, but really this is just making sure that you find an SAE project that you think is right for you. And that you can do something that's interesting and worth it. So feel free to take a look at all of these different categories. If you need anything, let me know. All right, have a great day, everyone. I will see you in class.